Don't look at my room.
Oh my god.
Oh boy. Okay, so I actually have a little bit of time before I have to go up, so I'm gonna tell you what's going on today. We're dropping off our charter today. It's been a week, so I'm gonna show you what kind of work we're gonna do today, but then also once that work is done, what kind of time off we're gonna have. I have been very excited about making this Sourpatch watermelon slushie. I've been soaking Sour Patch Kids in vodka overnight since yesterday. I'm so excited. So that's what I'm gonna try today. Honestly, what if that's a cocktail that I want to serve someone one time? I'm just doing my homework. We're also docked in Nantucket right now. It is so cute. So the guests today are getting off around 12, and then we're going to sort of put the boat to bed. Tomorrow we have the day off, and then we pick up boss Wednesday. Wednesday the boss gets in around afternoon. So we're gonna sit here for a second, go and explore tomorrow. I think Rich and I are gonna go and surf Cisco Beach. No idea what that entails. All I know is that it's pretty sharky. Literally after work today, I told Rich that the only MO that I really have is to go and shop. I don't care. I don't care. I looked yesterday, there was a sweater, like a little, what is it called? A snood? It's not a snood. It's not a snood. Anyways, it just hangs over your shoulders. It was $550. It was $550, but I'm not gonna spend money on that. I'll spend $550 on like 2 pieces of clothing, not just one. Anyways, I'm really excited to go and shop, and so is he. And then we're gonna do a date night one of these nights. None of this is happening in this video. I just wanna catch up. I just wanna see how you're doing. How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. It's drop off day. This is my 3rd season being in New England, and though it's expensive, Nantucket is one of my favorite spots to drop off at. A lot of yachts come through here for the gorgeous beaches, luxury shopping and dining, and of course for the club car. My plan is to blend up watermelon, strain that, just get the juice, and then put obviously some ounces of this in there, and then squeeze lemon juice in there. And I feel like that's gonna be it. If it needs to be sweeter, I'll figure out something, but it's gonna be like a Sour Patch watermelon. I really hope it turns out good because I've been so excited about this. So the chief stew, who's on early morning shift, set up breakfast on the main deck aft table. Chef always sets out fresh fruit, pastries, and bacon, but she will also have a breakfast special that guests can order, and for drop-off day, that's Eggs Benedict. While Chef is making breakfast, I'm in the cabins along with the chief stew, stripping beds and giving the showers a clean, while periodically popping up to check on guests and breakfast. Mornings are the most hectic because there are so many moving parts, but time flies by because you're so busy. We had some specials ordered, so Chef started to plate while we finished up downstairs. If charter guests order caviar to have on their trip, the chef will save some, if we can, to put on top of their drop-off day breakfast. That's always a fun little thing that we like to do. I came up to run out and serve the guests while the chief stew finished up with housekeeping. The yacht we work on is 123 feet, 37 meters, with 5 crew, so it's important to be flexible in a bunch of different roles. Once breakfast was finished, we got their bags off and they got into their taxi to head off to the airport.
A large estate here, and I had fun this morning. And
Yeah.
well, she took the wind out of your sails because she told us everything. That's a wrap.
This is the next best part about drop-off day is the breakfast leftovers. What we're gonna do is flip the master, get the bathroom all cleaned, get the sheets off, washing, and then we're gonna start making our drinks. I'm gonna start making my watermelon Sour Patch Kid the cocktail. Okay, I'm all changed out of my uniform because let's make this watermelon Sour Patch cocktail slushie slash drink. The chef kindly enough blended this for me. I think I'm going to strain it and then add the vodka that was soaked, or the Sour Patches that were soaked in vodka that turned into like a Sour Patch syrup. It's kind of good, not gonna lie.
One first drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Drink number one. Cheers. That's our frosé machine.
That is really
Frosé.
good.
It's vodka, frozen strawberries,
Little lemon juice.
a little lemon juice,
Simple syrup.
rosé, simple syrup.
That's it.
That's all it takes.
Can't get much better than
That's
that.
all it takes to make
Oh.
he's happy.
Oh!
Sour Patch vodka.
Here's our Sour Patch vodka syrup. Okay, so here's half a lemon. Ooh, so far, actually, it's delicious. Not tart enough, though. If it's gonna be a Sour Patch drink, it's gotta sucker punch you right in the face. You know, your mouth needs to be drooling uncontrollably. My mouth actually got a drooling. You need to be drooling uncontrollably. That's what I was trying to say. I'm also gonna set some aside for the boys, because they don't drink. So we're gonna give them a watermelon like lemonade, essentially is what it is. Damn, that's pretty good. I don't know if I want to do one more. I'm gonna put this in. It's easier to add the lemon, I feel like. How many are we looking at here? I'm really just gonna go by taste here. I'm not gonna measure anything out. We'll start with half a cup. I just said that I was gonna save some for the boys, and I absolutely did not.
Well, we have lemonade for them.
Okay, great. Totally forgot. Whoa, that tastes like Sour Patch though.
Does it?
Oh my gosh. That was half a cup. I'm gonna do another half. This is going so much better than I expected it. Oh no, please, come on in. Okay, so I just did a cup and a half. I totally said I was gonna save some for the boys with no alcohol in it, and I didn't.
Is that the last of the Sour
Yeah.
Patch? Oh, maybe I'll pick some up today. Stop it. It's gonna be so
No,
good.
dude, it's so good. I'm gonna do, I think, maybe one more lemon just to make it really puckery. It is a little bit darker now, but that's fine, whatever.
It's icy and frosty. Oh my god, and it
Nice
tastes like
and
Sour
Is
Patch
that
Kids.
not so good?
That's very delicious.
100% watermelon Sour Patch Kid. Can't even taste the vodka.
Please go for it.
It's very dangerous. In a good way.
It's wicked dangerous. Wicked dangerous.
It's our New England chief stew. This is the outfit. This is the Nantucket outfit. What is more Nantucket than this? I don't know. Let's check out Richard. Oh, yes. Okay, let's go.
Last year, I actually told Rich that I had feelings for him right here in Nantucket, so to be here with him again, now dating, is so sweet. We walked around, went to some cute bars, but even cuter shops. I swear Rich likes to shop just as much as I do, so that makes it even more fun to romp around together.
It's horrible in here. Okay, I just picked up a scarf. It's $350. Anyways, I'm gonna buy a shirt here. Like, what's a girl to do?
You making fun or are you making?
Yeah.
It would have been easy to say no, but it fit perfectly. So
I'm literally tearing up. Richard just bought me, I think, the most beautiful dress I have ever put on my body.
After we tired ourselves out, we went to one last spot just to put our eyes on it because it's such a legendary spot, the club car.
Oh, please. Oh, go for it. No worries. No, it's fine. Sorry. No worries. Just come over. It's good.
If you've never been here, this is a bar in an old former train car that used to be a part of the Nantucket Railroad. A few times a week, they have a piano player come in and take song requests. So many people pack in to sing songs together and have a few cocktails. It's a fabulous time and I highly recommend to anyone heading to Nantucket.
Okay, wait, so I got this for Rich while he was trying stuff on. It's a secret. Anyways, so what I was saying was we came back to the boat and we had some dinner, and now we're gonna go out and get some ice cream at the juice bar. You look like the pigeon that's trying to get some. Anyway, we're gonna go and surf tomorrow. That's kind of our day right there. Like, that's it. It kind of flew by, but we're gonna go grab some ice cream and then we're gonna head down and get some sleep. So,
butter pecan.
thanks for watching.